Bucharest, Romania, and yesterday we tried to film a foodie video, but it was a massive fail because the food was really average and it took forever to come and they forgot about us. So this video is going to be a mix of maybe a foodie video, maybe seeing castles, maybe exploring Bucharest, who knows? But the title will explain all. We need to get the metro to the northern train station. We're supposed to be getting a train to Sinaia, where the Peles Castle is, but we've left like quite late and I don't know if we'll be able to get the train in time because there's not that many that run each day. We'll just go to the train station anyway and figure it out from there and see how often they run. There's mountains right there. So I think first we're going to go and get some lunch so that we have a nice filling meal before we walk up a hill to this castle. They've still got the Christmas decorations up, so I feel like it's like a little Santa's village. So we're going to come to this place here called Umami. It's like a burger place, so sorry, we were going to get Romanian, but...
Burger.
I've gone for the pulled pork sandwich. Pulled pork, coleslaw and pickle. That's really good. You see me? Okay, so I'm thinking we might be able to get a bus to the castle that's here. Which I think might be a lot easier than trying to walk up a very icy hill, I assume.
Yeah.
Just got off the bus and we're just going to walk over to the castle. I don't know if we'll go inside. We might just have a little look around the outside and then head back to the train station. I don't think we're going to get the 5 o'clock train. We might have to get a later train, which means we'll be on the train longer, but that's fine. We've got nowhere to be. It's so pretty here. Look how pretty the buildings are. This one behind us and the mountains behind us over there. So pretty.
Snow my shoes.
Oh no, well you shouldn't have stepped in the thick snow. We've just stopped at this little cafe. I've got this nice view of the castle and I've got an Irish coffee, which is a coffee with liqueur in it, I'm pretty sure. So I wanted something warm, alcoholic and caffeine. And Jordan's gone for a beer.
It was so pretty. The architecture, very gothic.
Yeah, it was, wasn't it?
Was it like 16th century?
Such a pretty view at this time of the year as well with all snow. It's like
You'll
a winter
confirm
wonderland.
that, right? You'll put in when it was built. I don't know if it was.
You just making shit up.
Yeah, I am.
Oh, we're in a bubble. The bus is going to take you.
We got to the train station with loads of time and we accidentally went to the other side of the platform. The train pulls up to the platform that we were on, but the doors didn't open on our side. They actually opened up on the other side. So what you didn't see in this footage is me and Jordan frantically running all the way down the stairs, under the platform, back up the stairs and onto the train, and we literally got the train by a second.
This is ours. We made it. Yeah, we nearly missed it. we very nearly had to get kicked off on the next stop because we didn't have enough, and they didn't take cards. So what we did is that the woman was really nice and gave us the fare for a smaller journey.
We're back in Bucharest now after an hour and 40-minute train journey, half of it on the floor.
Oh yeah.
So I had my podcast and Jordan watched the game. Hopefully we're going to go for a nice Romanian meal, because I feel like trying to eat Romanian food has been a little bit of a fail, because the first place and kind of only place we went to, they took forever and it just was quite average. And then we tried to go somewhere today in Sinaia. I hope that's how you say it, because I've just been saying it like that the whole time. I should have checked Google. But one place looked like it wasn't really open, the place that I was going to go to, and then the other place said they were full.
They weren't full.
But they weren't full. And then when we went back a little bit later, they still had no one there. So I don't know if they were like closing, I don't know. So we ended up going to that burger place instead. So hopefully tonight we're going to go to a nice Romanian restaurant.
Yeah.
Hopefully they'll take us, because it's like 8 o'clock at night and we haven't made a booking. I don't know. And it's a Saturday night.
So it might end horribly again.
Yeah.
The spirits are high. We've just gone to this really nice place called Caru Cu Bere.
On Google, it looks really cool, and I think I saw like recommendations for it. I feel like it's like one of those places where you come to and you're like, wow, this is actually so much better in real life than Google made it out to be, or a blog or whatever. And there's people like dancing in the middle of like the main part, and they've been like dancing like traditional like ballroom, and then they had like hip hop kind of dance music on, and they asked me to dance because we were standing down at the bar, and I said no. But Jordan danced.
And it's cheap. It's cheap. Well, cheap.
It's not the cheapest place to go to.
£5 pint.
I've ordered some sausages, some Romanian sausages, some pork, I think, and something very traditional Romanian.
Have you seen this gourmet meal?
Super flavorful, really meaty and juicy.
On our last full day in Bucharest, we decided to have a very chilled and relaxing day and went to Bucharest Therme. It's a huge wellness centre filled with mineral pools, water slides, saunas, restaurants, and it's open till about 11 o'clock at night, so we stayed there all afternoon and just relaxed and chilled out, ready for our flight home the next day.
It's our last day in Bucharest. I'm going to quickly give you a little tour of our Airbnb that we stayed in. It's very, very small, so it'll be really quick. So we've got a nice little kitchen here. We've got a stovetop, coffee pot maker, we had a teapot as well. All your needs. We made a nice omelette in there as well. So we've got a little desk space. Don't zoom in on that, it's a bit dirty. It's a bit dirty because we're about to leave. Got a nice little wardrobe. And then we've got a nice sofa space, and we've got a cute little art on the wall.
A cute little art.
Cute little art. And then we've got a balcony, which we thought we'd go outside, but it's been freezing. And then the best part of this Airbnb is that the TV turns around and you can watch films in bed. It hasn't been very comfortable. The mattress itself's okay, but the blanket's been very thin. It's just been a bit like average, but we've survived. So yeah, that's the Airbnb. Oh, bathroom. I mean, standard bathroom. Quite nice. It's been like really cold, like under 4 degrees every day, and the last 2 days we've been here it's been like 8 degrees, so it's warmed up a lot. How's the Nutella pretzel?
Oh, it's gorgeous. Very nice.